Welcome back, students. Let us discuss some more problems on construction of a matrix. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 divided by 2 times modulus of 3i minus j. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 times modulus of 3i minus j. First write general 2 cross 3 matrix. Matrix A 2 cross 3. Our required matrix consists of 2 rows, 3 columns. Write such matrix. A11, A12, A13. Second row elements A21, A22, A23. After this, write all the values from A11 to A23. A11, replace I value 1, J value 1. Then 1 by 2 modulus of 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. After that A12. What is A12 value? A12 means replace I value 1, J value 2. Then it will be 1 by 2 times modulus of 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2. It will be 1. That is 1 divided by 2. Lastly we get 1. Next element A13. 1 by 2 times modulus of 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Next element A21. A21 is equal to 1 divided by 2 times modulus of 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Next element A22. 1 divided by 2 times modulus of I value 2, J value 2. 3 into 2 is 6 minus J value 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Lastly A23. 1 divided by 2 times modulus of 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, our required matrix is A is equal to, write these elements 1, 1 by 2, 0. Second row elements 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. It is our required matrix. Next problem. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 3i plus j. Our required matrix consists of 3 rows and 4 columns. First write general matrix of order 3 cross 4. General matrix of order 3 cross 4. Matrix A 3 4 means 3 rows 4 columns. Starts from A11, A11, A12, A13, A14. Then A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A34, sorry, A33, A34. Now write all these elements from A11 to A34. A11. A11 means I value 1, J value 1. Simply replace I value and J value. It will be 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 3 plus 1 is equal to modulus of minus 3 plus 1. It will be minus 2. Modulus value positive. Lastly we get 1. Next element A12. I value 1, J value 2. Then 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 plus 2. Modulus of minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1, so we get 1 by 2. Next A13. 1 divided by 2 times minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Next element A14. 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 3 plus 4, again it gives 1 by 2. Next second row elements. A21. Just find A21 value. What is A21? A21 is 1 by 2 times modulus of I value 2. I value 2 means we get minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 because J value is 1. After simplification it will be 5 by 2. Next A22 value. What is A22? A22 is equal to 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 6 plus 2 is equal to modulus of minus 4. Minus 4 is plus 4 only. Divided by 2 is 2. A23. What is A23? Again 1 divided by 2 times modulus of minus 6 plus 3 is equal to modulus of minus 3 is plus 3, so it will be plus 3 by 2. After that A24. What is A24 value? 1 divided by 2 times minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 1. Next, similarly write all the elements of third row from A31 to A34. What is A31? Simply replace I value 3, J value 1 is equal to 1 by 2 times modulus of, what is A31? Replace I value. It will be minus 9 plus 1. Minus 9 plus 1. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Next A32. Replace I value 3, J value 2. It will be 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 3i means minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2. It gives modulus of minus 7. Modulus of minus 7 is plus 7 only, so it will be 7 by 2. Next element A33. Replace I value 3, J value 3. It will be 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 3. Sorry, modulus of minus 9 plus 3. Modulus of minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Modulus value positive. Last element A34. It will be 1 by 2 times modulus of minus 9 plus 4. Modulus of minus 5. It will be plus 5 only, so 5 by 2. Therefore, our required matrix is 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Second row elements 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 and 1. Third row elements 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. It is our required matrix. Next one more. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 2i minus j. whose elements are given by aij equal to 2i minus j. Our required matrix consists of 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. Write general matrix of order 3 cross 4, 3 rows and 4 columns. It is our general matrix. It is same as previous one. Again start from A11. In this case, what is A11? A11 is 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. A12, that is 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Simply replace I value and j value. Then 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3, it gives minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 4, it will be minus 2. Next, second row elements. Second row elements A to 1, replace I value to j value 1. That is 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 because 4 minus 1. Next 2 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2. Then A to 3 means 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next A to 4, that is 2 into 2 minus 4. It gives 0. Similarly, third row elements. Right, A31. What is A31? 2 into 3 minus 1. It gives 5. Why? Because 6 minus 1. Next A32. 2 into 3 minus 2. It gives 6 minus 2 is 4. A33. What is A33? 2 into 3 minus 3. It gives 3. What is A34? A34 is 2 into 3 minus 4. It will be 2. Why? Because 6 minus 4. Therefore, our required matrix is replace first row elements, second row elements and third row elements. These are first row elements. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Second row elements 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Third row elements 5, 4, 3, 2. This is our required matrix. Next problem. Next problem. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to step of I divided by j. Step here where it denotes greatest integer function. Where it denotes greatest integer function. In this case, our required matrix consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. Our required matrix consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. So write general 2 cross 2 matrix. General 2 cross 2 matrix, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. Now write A11 value. Already we know that greatest integer function. Replace I value 1 and j value 1. Then we get step up 1 by 1. Step up 1 by 1 is 1 only. What is step 1 value? Step 1 value is 1 only. Then next A12. What is A12? That is 1 divided by 2. Step up 1 by 2. What is step up 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means it is 0.5. What is step up 0.5? Step up 0.5 means integer less than or equal to x. It is definition. Integer less than 0.5. What is previous integer for 0.5? Previous integer is clearly 0. Then a to 1. Step of 2 divided by 1 is equal to step 2. Step of 2 is 2 only. Next a to 2. A to 2 is step of 2 divided by 2 is equal to step of 1. Step 1 value is 1. Therefore, our required matrix A is 1 0 2 1. 1 0 2 1. Next. A matrix has 24 elements. Next problem. A matrix has 24 elements. Then what are the possible orders it can have? If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? One of the matrix has 24 elements. Then what are the possible orders it can have? Before writing order of this matrix, first write all the factors of 24. Write all the factors of 24. Clearly 1 is factor of 24, 2 is factor of 24, 3 is factor of 24, 4 is factor of 24, next 6 is factor of 24, then 8 is factor of 24, next 12 is factor of 24, next 24 is factor of 24. Now select two numbers from this set, their product should be equal to 24. Select such numbers. Select any two numbers from this set, their product should be equal to 24. If I select first one as 1, their product should be 24, means it is 1 into 24. Next possibility, it's reverse, 24 into 1. It is one of the possible order. Next, if I select 2, then what is next number? Their product should be equal to 24, means next number should be 12, and its reverse order is also possible, that is 12 into 2. Next 3, if I select 3, what is next number? Their product should be 24, means second number is clearly 8. 3 into 8 means its reverse order is also possible, that is 8 into 3. Next I will select 4. Then first number is 4, then what is second number? Such that their product is 24. For getting product as 24, second number should be 6. Its reverse order is 6 into 4. These are the possible orders. 1 cross 1 by 24, 24 by 1, 2 by 12, 12 by 2, 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 4. These are the possible orders of the given matrix. Next problem. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? If a matrix has 8 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? First write all the factors of 8. Clearly 1 is factor of 8, 2 is also factor of 8, 3 is not a factor, 4 is not factor of 8, 5 is not a factor, 6 is not a factor, 7 is also not a factor, but 8 is factor of 8. Now select any two numbers from this set, their product should be equal to 8. Now possible orders are, if I select 1, then what is second number? Their product should be equal to 8. Then it will be 1 cross 8. If one of the order is 1 cross 8, then 8 cross 1 also possible. If I select 2, then what is next number? Means second number. Their product should be 8, means it is 2 into 4. And its reverse order is also possible, that is 4 into 2. These are the possible orders of the given matrix if a matrix has 8 elements. First write all the factors. First write all the factors of given number. After that, write the orders of the matrix. Next, if a matrix has 5 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? If a matrix has 5 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? First, write all the factors of 5. Clearly, it is a prime number, so its factors are 1 and itself, 1 and 5. Because it is a prime number, its factors are 1 and itself, so factors are 1 and 5. Then possible orders are 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. These are the possible orders. Next problem. If a matrix has 18 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? First, write all the factors of 18. Clearly, 1 is factor of 18, 2 is factor of 18, 3 is also factor of 18, but 4 is not factor of 18. 5 is not a factor, but 6 is factor. 7 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor, but 9 is a factor of 18. Next factor, 9. Next, 10 is not possible, remaining all are not possible. 18 is factor of 18. Now, select any two numbers from this sequence. Their product should be 18. If I select 1, then what is next number? Means what is second number? Their product should be 18, means 1 into 18, and its reverse order is 18 into 1. If I select 2, then product should be equal to 18. What is second number? Product should be 18, means second number is 9, and its reverse order is also possible, that is 9 into 2. If I select 3, what is second number? Product should be 18, clearly 6. And its reverse order is 6 into 3. Next, these are the possible orders. These are the possible orders of the our required matrix where it has 18 elements. Next problem. If a matrix has 13 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? First, write all the factors of 13. Clearly, it is a prime number, so its factors are 1 and itself, means 1 and 13 only. So possible orders are 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. These are the possible orders of the matrix have 13 elements. Next problem. Find all the possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is either 0 or 1. Find all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is either 0 or 1. Find all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry, means with each element is either 0 or 1. For each element there are two possibilities, either we can put 0 or 1. For each element there are two possibilities, either 0 or 1. And matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now tell me total number of elements in our required matrix. Clearly 9. For example, our required matrix is of the form from A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. But in this case, we want number of matrices. Total number of matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry is either 0 or 1. For element A11, how many possibilities are there? For element 11, how many possibilities? In place of A11, we can put either 0 or 1. Only 2 possibilities. For element A11, 2 possibilities. And means multiplication. Next, for element A12, what are the possibilities? Again same possibilities. Either 0 or 1, again 2 possibilities. Similarly, for each element, there are 2 possibilities. Such 9 elements. So, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 9. For each element, there are 2 possibilities. So, it will be 2 power 9. Lastly, we get 512 matrices. We can construct 512 matrices with these elements. It is one of the important 1 mark question. Next question. Find all the possible matrices of order 2 cross 3. Find all possible matrices of order 2 cross 3 with each entry is 0 or 1 or 2. Find all possible matrices of order 2 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 or 2. Our required matrix of order 2 cross 3, that tells me total number of elements in our required matrix. Total number of elements in our required matrix is clearly 6. Why? Because 2 into 3 is 6. Means our required matrix is of the form A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. It is our required matrix. Our required matrix is of the form A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. In this case, we need number. Total number of matrices of order 2 cross 3 with each entry is either 0 or 1 or 2. Means for each element, in this case, how many possibilities? For element A11, how many possibilities? For element A11, there are 3 possibilities, either 0 or 1 or 2. Means in place of A11, we can put either 0 or 1 or 2. Means for first element, there are 3 possibilities. Similarly, for every element in this matrix, have 3 possibilities. For every element, have 3 possibilities, such 6 elements. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It will be 3 power 6. After multiplication, it will be 729. Thank you.